Now, remember, Rahul Gandhi is also campaigning in Bihar today, and Rahul Gandhi has once again raised a question on Prime Minister. He has said that the Prime Minister is doing drama when it comes to the Chhath Puja. Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Bihar, has reacted to this and has hit out at Rahul Gandhi. Let's listen in.
ये कांग्रेस के लोग जैसे राम मंदिर के बारे में प्रश्न खड़ा करते थे, भगवान राम के बारे में प्रश्न खड़ा करते थे, ऐसे ही छठ मैया के बारे में भी कांग्रेस के युवराज आज प्रश्न खड़ा कर रहे हैं। बहनों और भाइयों, ये कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन के लोग ये किसी के नहीं हुए, ये किसी के नहीं हुए। ये धोखा देते हैं, अराजकता पैदा करते हैं, गुंडों और बदमाशों को, अपराधियों को प्रश्रय देते हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी आपको भाषण देते हैं, आते हैं, वायदे करते हैं, चुनाव के दिन तक जो भी आप कहते हैं वो कर देंगे, और चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी ना बिहार आएंगे, ना आपकी बात सुनेंगे, चले जाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं अगली बार जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। जैसे मीटिंग में आते हैं वो आप भीड़ से कहना, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ये सीट हम आपको जिता देंगे, जरा स्टेज पे डांस कर लो, और नरेंद्र मोदी डांस कर लेंगे। या फिर कहना उनसे, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हम आपको चुनाव जितवा देंगे, आप 2-3 योगा के आसन कर दो स्टेज पे, योगा के आसन कर देंगे।
Chandan, my colleague, is joining us with more details on this. Yogi Adityanath, campaigning on the last day for the first phase of elections, but once again hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. It was the Appu Tappu and Pappu jibe that he took earlier. Now, in fact, speaking about the Yuvraj of the Congress party. But the fact remains, Chandan, Rahul Gandhi did not say anything about the Chhath Puja. His attack was on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and, of course, the separate pond being prepared for him for Chhath Puja.
Well, Ankit, the attack on Rahul Gandhi in this whole Chhath controversy started from Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi itself. The PM in his rally cornered out Rahul Gandhi on this whole issue. We have to understand that the whole NDA and especially BJP is trying to corner around Rahul on this Chhath issue, because for Bihar, Chhath is not just a festival, it's an emotion. And as we all know, just like what you have said, that what Rahul Gandhi was trying to say, he was trying to take a jibe on Prime Minister. But BJP, on other hand, is now trying to corner Rahul Gandhi that he disrespected Chhati Maiya. And that is why today in Darbhanga, when Yogi Adityanath was campaigning for NDA candidates, he clearly took a jibe and draw the parallel from what the Congress stance was during the Ram Temple construction, or the boycott that Congress did during the inauguration of the Ram Mandir. Clearly, what the BJP is trying to do here right now through its star campaigner, and especially Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, is to evoke that sentiment in and around the Hindu religious festival. And for Bihar, nothing is bigger than Chhath. And that's why in every rally of all the star campaigners of NDA, you see that this issue of Chhati Maiya being disrespected by Rahul Gandhi is raised continuously by the NDA leaders, especially BJP ones.